everyone, I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we're gonna talk about types of abbreviations, so pay close attention. Abbreviations are shortened forms of words or phrases. They are often used to save time and space in writing. Abbreviations can be categorized in several types, each with distinct characteristics. Initialisms, formed from the initial letters of a series of words pronounced as separate letters. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. CPU, Central Processing Unit. USB, Universal Serial Bus. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. DIY, Do It Yourself. PIN, Personal Identification Number. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. GPS, Global Positioning System. Acronyms, formed from the initial letter of a series of words pronounced as a word. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. ASAP, as soon as possible. Laser, light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. GIF, graphics interchange format. YOLO, you only live once. RAM, random access memory. ZIP, zone improvement plan, as in zip code. Shortenings, a portion of a word is removed, typically the end or beginning. Info, information. Ad, advertisement. Demo, demonstration. Lab, laboratory. Bio, biography. Gym, gymnasium. Math, mathematics. Pics, pictures. Intro, introduction. Contractions, formed by omitting certain letters and replacing them with an apostrophe. Don't, do not. I'm, I am. Can't, cannot. They're, they are. We've, we have. You'll, you will. She's, she is. We've, we have. They've, they have. Didn't, did not. Portmanteau, two or more words are combined to form a new word. Brunch, breakfast and lunch. Smog, smoke and fog. Motel, motor and hotel. Guesstimate, guess and estimate. Spork, spoon and fork. Infomercial, information and commercial. Blog, web and log. Chortle, chuckle and snort. Cosplay, costume and play. Breathalyzer, breath and analyzer. Symbols and numeronyms, use of symbols or numbers to represent words or part of words. At, and, for you, before, number or hashtag, today, great, later, B2B, business to business, B2C, business to consumer. These types of abbreviations help to simplify communication, making it quicker and often easier to understand, especially in contexts where brevity is important. I really hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!